Well, this is my newest Craigslist find. It's only about 25 miles from the house. Couldn't pass up the deal. I've been needing a good Vise, and I guess there ain't too many better than an old antique one. The lady didn't have any kind of history on it. She said her husband took it in trade for some work. The only thing it's missing is the jaws for the pipe vise. You can see where they've been removed. But other than that, it works good. It's still one finger operation. Look at the jaws, they're in freaking awesome shape. Just awesome. Just a few marks up here from most likely a hacksaw. But other than that, man, they're in really good shape. Handle's not bent at all. I guess that's a good thing. A lot of times when they're bent, you know where people have been hammering on them or put a cheater bar, and a vise is made for a particular handle to only tighten it up so tight so you don't damage it. A lot of people don't realize that, and they'll take a perfectly good vise and damage it. Let me get a tape measure. I don't know how far it is across. It looks like it's maybe 5 inches or so. Five inches. Big vise. I'm guessing it probably weighs at least 70 pounds. It is extremely heavy. Don't know if anybody knows anything about these. Yost Manufacturing. Meadville, Pennsylvania. I guess that's a Model 33. Man, everything works on it really good. I'm happy with it. That's gonna serve me really well. Alright, just thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching.